Hi, today we're in Dartford on Burrows Drive, which is literally so well located for Dartford town centre and train station. You can walk to the town in 5 minutes. You've got 3 train lines connecting you to London, so if you need to get into town, it's absolutely perfect. You've got a gym, Snap Fitness and a co-op at the end of the road. Inside, we're going to find 4 double bedrooms split over 3 levels. You've also got a separate kitchen, you've got a garage on block, parking. What more could you want? Let's go take a look inside. So I hope you enjoyed looking around. As you can see, if it's space you're looking for and location, this is going to tick a lot of your boxes. Now, if you can see yourself living here, then give me a call or a member of my team on the details to follow. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.